Good afternoon, everyone. October 20th. This is class 3 for Wednesday, 5th period, 6C at Tobata campus for Kyushu Institute of Technology. Okay, well, basically, as you are starting to get used to, that's the URL for Zoom on our Moodle, and the class content is there. I hope you read that before you come to class every week. We're going to be starting to move towards making more walking videos. And here is probably the main video that you should watch to make sure that you understand what I expect. All of the rules, all of the main points are here. We've already started practicing with you last week, being able to pick up the camera and show yourself while you're gesturing. But all of the most important instructions are here for making these walking videos. And we're going to be making walking videos by class 5. On class 5, you're going to get your first walking video assignment. That'll be due on November 24th, and class 5 is 2 weeks away. But still, it's probably a good idea for you to start paying attention to what's important. So please watch this video. Now, here it says click here to read more, and you can either do that or click on the title. And not just the video. There's a lot of information here that you can read. I expect you to know this when you're making your video, because still people make a lot of mistakes when they're making these videos. It's not something that you're probably used to. So I really suggest you watch the video, you read all of this information. Okay, now as we move on from there, you have your chapter 2 task answers. These are the answers in a video form for the homework that you did in class 2. And the homework was here in the chapter 2 homework that was due last Sunday. Now you can check looking at this video to see if you got the right answers. Okay. If you're still confused about what's happening, this is the reading in Japanese, and you're lucky. This was prepared for you all the way through the entire semester. But I do suggest very hard that you try to learn how to read through the textbook by yourself in English. Use your dictionary if you have to, but being able to read is actually a very, very important task too. So try to do that without reading too much into this Japanese first. Read it after if you have to. You have your first quiz now, the listening quiz for creativity, and this will be closed on October 27th. So basically you have 1 week until next week to take this quiz, listening quiz in creativity. Next week, you'll have a reading quiz, and we'll continue from there. After that, the last task that you have to do is your homework. Again, you have your weekly homework, and I'll give you the answers for that next week. Don't forget also that you have to do your, here, let me show you this, your Gyuto-e, your e-learning documents. Try to do at least 50 a week. Try to do maybe more than 50. If you can do more than 50, you can do like say 70, or you can do 65 a week. That makes it much easier when it's time for the midterm test and the final test, because you don't have to have both studying for the test and trying to take care of your e-learning all at the same time. If you can get this done ahead of time, that's so much better. But in any case, that's up to you. Take care of that. Minimum of 50 a week is what I recommend. You have your listening quiz and your homework. Okay, good luck with that. Thanks very much.